Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I will show you how to create the trending school emoji edits for Instagram using Capcut. It's fun, it's super easy, and it's look amazing when using it with the beat of your music. Okay, let's jump right in. First, just open your Capcut and then import your main clips like this, and then add the music that you want to use for the edits. After that, mark the beats on your music track like this. This step is really important because it will guide where we place our edits and emojis. Now at every bit you mark, just freeze your clip. Just freeze your clip like this. And then set the durations. You can adjust it depending on your music styles and preference. But in this tutorial, I'm setting it freeze to about 0.8 seconds like this. On each freeze clip, just add a school emoji. Just go to sticker, this one, and then choose school emoji, this one. And for this emoji, you can also import your own custom school emoji if you want a different styles. And then just place the emoji as you like. I will place it like this. And then just repeat this step for every freeze clip. So each bit drop it match with a skull. Like this. Now let's make it more dramatic. Just tap on the freeze clips and then go to effects, video effects, and then just search for black flash 2, this one, and then just adjust the speed, intensity, size, and twist as you like. And then just apply this effect to each freeze clip. And then on the freeze clip, just lower the brightness. And then just apply it to the all freeze clips. Like this. And once you're done, just add a finishing touch by applying an effects again. Just go to effects and then search for noise one. This one. And then just go to objects and then just choose all videos. And for extra motions, just add effects again and then search for play pendulum. And then go to objects again and make it all videos. And last, your final video will look like this. And that's it, you just created an Instagram trending skull emoji video edits in Capcut. Okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!